Welcome to Ample Blazer's video tutorial on how to enable two-step verification on your Google email account. Now, Google is forcing all Gmail users to turn this on as of 8th of December this year. So go into your email and you'll see a blue turn on now button. Click on it and then you will be sent to this page. It will give you a rundown of your security checkup. Now I'm just going to ignore all those stuff for now and just say turn on. It'll ask me to put my password in. Right, it will tell you use your phone as the second step to sign in. These devices can get prompted. So I've got a few devices that are connected to my Google account. So I will hit continue. That's the phone number. Hit send text message. I should get a code to my phone. It's just come through now. Okay, once you've got that, click on next. Alright, what did I do wrong? Let's try that again. There we go. And then, after all that, we hit turn on, and all those devices will be affected with the two-step verification being turned on. Once that's done, you can see that the two-step verification has been green ticked, so it's turned on, and that's it. Thanks for watching.